The Fintech Association of Nigeria held its 7th annual general meeting in Lagos. It was an opportunity to review the 2023 financial performance and operations. In his remarks, Dr. Segun, Aina, Chairman of the Board of Trustees of Fintech NGR, commended the members for their supportive role, which has positioned it as Africa's largest and most vibrant national fintech association.
I would like to thank all of you for your support of the activities of the association in various ways, including timely payment of your membership dues, sponsorship of events, and more importantly, active participation in all our programs. I also appreciate the roles of the members of the Board of Trustees. They have all been participating very, very well, and they are pillars of support for this association. The Governing Council, on its shoulders rests the oversight function for the association, and of course, the management team to get us to where we are today. Undoubtedly, your association is the largest and the most vibrant national fintech association in Africa, and a force to be reckoned with globally. And I can attest to that since I'm the president of Africa Fintech Network, and I know the leading roles that Fintech Association of Nigeria has played, particularly in supporting the establishment of other fintech associations in other countries and the growth of those associations. So I thank you for putting Fintech Association of Nigeria not just on the continental radar, but also on the global radar.
In his address, the president of Fintech NGR, Mr. Bajomo, acknowledged the sacrifice and efforts of governing council members, board of trustees, and members of the association.
I would like to appreciate our GovCo members for their sacrifices and contribution to the growth of the association. Their work has been tireless. It's been out of driving and supporting the ecosystem as best as we possibly can and baking a bigger pie, as well as our Board of Trustees, whose dedication and resourcefulness, and in particular our chair, has been extremely useful to GovCo members and staff and management of the association.
He was happy to report that the association's membership grew to 464 members at the end of 2023.
The membership of the association grew from 130 members in 2019 to 209 in 2020 to 275 in 2021, 375 2022, 464 2023, 492 as a Q1 2024. And that's a testament to the good work that everyone in the association, board of members, management, GovCo, and Board of Trustees are doing.
Dr. Babatunde Obrimah, the Chief Operating Officer, giving the overview of activities in 2023, highlighted the investment landscape and the membership growth that has cut across 23 sectors of the economy.
Our membership of the association grew from 130 members in 2019 to 375 members in 2022, with sectors of the economy represented remaining at 21. The Regulator Forum has taken a positive turn with good engagement with attendance. Over 80 insurance practitioners were trained in that period. Engagement with regulators on various circulars also took place. Nigerian Fintech Week 2022 was the biggest in Africa, and the partnerships were also held with Fintech, Singapore Fintech Festival, Hong Kong Fintech Festival, and the African Fintech Festival also. The DigiQuip series, which is a training program for students, undergraduate students in Youth Corps members. Also, we had trained about 400 people, students at that period. There was also an execution of a tripartite agreement with Chartered Institute of Bankers for the Fintech Certification Program, together with FSI.
Dr. Segun, Aina and Dr. Babatunde Obrimah discussed the evolution of the fintech industry in Nigeria, membership growth in the Fintech Association of Nigeria, and the efforts to address industry concerns like cybercrime.
Fintech has become a phenomenon in terms of the quality of service they give to the public and the growth of those fintech companies. And with those growths also brings challenges. These are the challenges of governance. When the company starts as a one-man business, the last thing you think about is the governance structure, board, and rules and regulations. So as you grow, new challenges will come up. And these are the things that the Fintech Association of Nigeria is trying to support our members in terms of how they can incorporate good corporate governance to their processes and systems so that they will be compliant with the regulatory requirements. Good corporate governance also helps in terms of addressing the issue of cyber security, because you will have done some preemptive move that will at least reduce the occurrence of these cyber security challenges. Because as you very well know, a lot of money has been lost by a number of the leading fintechs. A lot of money has been lost by banks through digital transactions. And the prognosis for the future is even very alarming, not just in Nigeria, but worldwide, in terms of the trillions of dollars that is likely to be lost to cyber crimes and so on and so forth. And with the increasing adoption of digital, there's the need to ensure that we take preemptive steps to be ahead of those that are involved in these cyber crimes, and make sure that we reduce. You cannot eliminate it 100%, but we can reduce it to the barest minimum in a way that it will not cause any serious disruption to the system.
So what should we expect? A lot of collaboration. That's what we want to try and achieve. What's been happening is the fact that there hasn't been collaboration. So you see there's a fraud in a Fintech A or a Bank A. Money has moved into a Bank A or Fintech B. And while they are calling, there's a lot of bureaucracy around that. Money has already moved into cryptos, into gaming accounts and what have you. So to be able to stem that has to be collaboration, where if we call a bank A calls a Fintech A, the Fintech A should be able to hold for a period of time. It will involve a whole lot of things, maybe getting an act of government to support some of it, because the flip side of it is the fact that the person who is a fraudster can go to court and challenge you and say that you had no court order to hold his money, and the court will support him because that is the law, but this is a fraudster. So how do we ensure that we can work together within the ecosystem, together with regulators, that we can have acts or bills, and circular and policies that will support this collaboration, such that players also don't feel like I could get into trouble. And once that can be done, what we're trying to do is set up a platform where it's a black book platform. So once your name has been dropped for a fraudster, your name is there in the black book, your BVN is aligned against with it. So if your name pops up anywhere, those who are on the platform will say that this person has been committed a fraud somewhere before. And that way we can work together to stem this menace of cybercrime.
The membership growth of the Fintech Association of Nigeria from 56 members in 2018 to 492 members as of the first quarter of 2024 is a testament to the steadfastness in holding on to the mandate of accelerate, connect, and advocate for the growth of the fintech industry. With the proposed plans to strengthen the association's internal governance mechanism and continuous amendment of the Fintech NGR constitution adjusting to current realities, the association is repositioning itself to be a catalyst of innovation and technologies that will shape the financial services industry and other key sectors of the Nigerian economy.